Hi guys, I am doing my Freestyle Weight Watchers week 9 check-in, and of course, TMI, I got my cycle, period, whatever, turn it off if you don't want to hear, about 2 days before my weigh-in, which, you know, you're always kind of like, ew, how's this gonna go? But I am so happy to say that even with that, and let me say that on Tuesday, it was my 14th wedding anniversary. So my husband and I went out to eat, and I used a ton of points that day. I want to look back because I want to tell you. I used 52 points in one day, which was crazy. But yeah, just getting like a nice meal and a glass of wine, and I got a little gluten-free dessert. And oh my goodness, that all added up. And I just tried to track it as good as I can. But that left me with only, I think, 6 points. Six weeklies left after that meal, and luckily I had a couple days because then I kicked it into gear watching what I was doing, obviously, for the rest of the week, and I ended up having a couple extra. I didn't even know you could have points roll over, so I didn't use all my points for a couple days. So then my weeklies kept going up, and I was like, what is going on? And then I asked someone, and they're like, oh yeah, if you don't use all your points in your day, they will roll over a certain amount into your weeklies. So I did end up using all my weeklies by the end of the week, and I was worried about weigh-in day because anniversary dinner, and then got my period 2 days before weigh-in. But praise the Lord, still had progress, and I lost 0.8 of a pound. I know it's not a super big amount, but that usually happens this week, and then next week usually it's good. Seems like that kind of is the trend where it's like 1 week you barely lose, and then the next week you lose a few, and back and forth, but the general thing is going down. And so I've lost 18.3 pounds, but the biggest, awesomest, best news is that I am finally in Wonderland. Dooloo, only by 0.3 of a pound, but hey, I will take it. That scale said 100 and some, so that's pretty cool, because honestly, that has been a place I have not been in probably 3 years. I've gotten really close before. When I did keto, I got down to like 202, and when I did Whole30, I got down really close. And there, you know, I've done quite a few diets, so this is a big victory, or a small victory on the process of big victories. So really excited about that. 0.8 down this week, and 18.3 total lost. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. And then one thing that I did find this week for you gluten-free ladies is these gluten-free Mission tortilla wraps. And they're not super huge, like burrito size, but they're a good size. Sorry, my camera's freaking out. They're a good size. They're 4 points. The best thing is they're super soft, and yeah, they're super soft and easy to use. And so like this week I made a few burritos with the fat-free refried beans, which are no points, and then some like corn with tomatoes and chilies in it, which was no points, and some frozen red and green peppers with onions, a little taco sauce, which was no points, and then some lower fat cheese, Mexican cheese. Anyway, with light sour cream, and the whole thing was 8 points, and real good and really filling with all that fiber and protein and stuff. These are not organic or maybe the best as far as clean eating, I guess, but when you're gluten-free and you're trying to eat healthy and you're trying to lose weight, I think they're a really good option. So just wanted to throw that out there. If you didn't know, Mission now has gluten-free tortillas, and they're soft and they don't break when you try. And if you've been gluten-free and you know how the tortillas are, and you try and make something and it's breaking and all your stuff's falling out, not like, I mean, burrito that stays together. It's amazing. Okay, so there it is. Hopefully you guys will keep following my journey and seeing my progress as I keep hopefully losing weight and hopefully staying in Wonderland and continuing this journey on. So like and subscribe if you like watching people meet goals and move towards their goals, and check out my channel if you are interested in natural health or essential oils or wellness products, because I got a ton of stuff about that. So all right guys, bye.